वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। आइए हम यूनिट 2 के आगे के कुछ और क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं वीडियो के पार्ट 2 में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 इज बिजनेस एथिक्स आर बेसिकली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम पर्सनल एथिक्स। ए ट्रू, बी फॉल्स, सी ट्रू और फॉल्स, डी नन ऑफ द अबव। द आंसर इज बी फॉल्स। Next question is all unethical practices are illegal. A true, B false, C true and false, D none of the above. The answer is B false. Morals is the study of what is thought to be right in a society. True, false, true or false, none of the above. The answer is A true. Next question is normative ethics and morals are the same discipline. A true, B false, C true or false, D none of the above. The answer is B false. Next question is ethics is always absolute. A true, B false, C true and false, D none of the above. The answer is A true. Next question is ethics is populism. A true, B false, C true and false, D none of the above. The answer is B false. Next question is our understanding of right and wrong is shaped by our culture. Hence ethics of person from different culture may be in conflict. So it is true. The answer is true. Next question is the most difficult age for the development of a child is early childhood, B teenage, C young age, D adult age. The answer is teenage, B. सबसे डिफ़िकल्ट एज फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ चाइल्ड टीनेज ही होती है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हेरिडिटी एंड एटमॉस्फेयर आर कोरिलेटिंग। ए कंपेनियंस, बी डिपेंडेंट, सी एल्डर्स, डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। द आंसर इज सी एल्डर्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स कम्स इन द वे ऑफ गर्ल्स पर्सनल राइट। ए social recognition, B family, C gender differences, D all of these. The answer is A social recognition. Next question is which of the following is not an accepted stage in Kohlberg's theory of moral development? A interpersonal relation, B individualism, C social contract and social rights, D universal principles. The answer is B individualism. Next question is which of the following is not considered a factor of cognition? A fear, B retreat, C anger, D hunger. The answer is C anger. Next question is an ideal teacher should concentrate on teaching methods, on the subject being taught, on students and their behavior, on all of these. So एक आइडियल टीचर इन सारी ही चीज़ों पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करती है. द आंसर विल बी डी ऑन ऑल ऑफ these. Next question is the motive of the concept of curricular flexibility is to benefit A disabled students, B minority students, C reserved caste, D all of these. The answer is A disabled students. Next question is which of the following is not considered a tool for formative assessment? A oral questions, B MCQ, C assignments, D projects. The answer is B MCQ. Next question is what do you understand by the term peer group? A people of the same profession, B friends and acquaintances, C family members and relatives, D all of these. Answer is D all of these. Next question is a problem child has. A pampering guardian, B heredity problem, C IQ problem, D physical problem. The answer is pampering guardian. Next question is absenteeism can be tackled by A teaching, B pushing the students, punishing the students, C giving the sweets, D contacting the parents. Answer is D contacting the parents. Next question is discipline means A strict behavior, B severe punishment, C obedience, D giving by the rules. Answer is D giving by the rules. Next question is if any girl child does not come to school regularly, you will no bother, struck off her name, complain to the principal, Meet the parents and encourage them. The answer is D. Meet the parents and encourage them. Next question is, in co-education you want to A. Make separate rows for boys and girls. B. You give preference to boys over girls. C. You give preference to none. D. You deal according to need. The answer will be you deal according to need. Number D. Next question is, one of the basic principles of socializing individuals is A. Religion, B. Caste, C. Educational, D. Imitation. So the answer will be educational. Number C. Next question is, which of the skills do you consider most essential for a teacher? Orientation skill, listening skill, managerial skill, teaching skill. The answer is D. Teaching skills. Next question is, which of the skills do you consider most essential for a teacher? Options are A. Encourage child to search for knowledge. B. Have all the information for the children. C. Ability to make children memorize material. D. Enable children to do well in test. The answer is D. Enable children to do well in the test. Next question is, which of the skills do you consider more essential for a teacher? A. Identify gifted children. B. Having an understanding for all children abilities. C. Identify children with learning disability. D. None of the above. The answer is B. Having an understanding of the child abilities. Next question is, which of the skills do you consider most essential for a teacher? यहाँ पे आपको 3 बार सेम क्वेश्चन दिया गया है बट ऑप्शंस हर बार अलग अलग हैं, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शंस आपके आंसर भी डिफरेंट हो जाएंगे. सो इस क्वेश्चन के हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं. ए. एबिलिटी टू हेल्प चिल्ड्रन अंडरस्टैंड टेक्स्ट थॉरोली. B. Ability to help children to do all the exercises. C. Ability to raise possible actions from the text. D. Ability to help child from their own opinion on the text. The answer will be ability to help child from their own opinion on the text. D. Next question is, which of the skill do you consider most essential for a teacher? Again the same question and different options. A. To communicate well. B. To use difficult language. C. To impress students. D. To read out the text. The answer is A. To communicate well. Next question is, success is in developing values is mainly dependent upon A. Government, B. Society, C. Family, D. Teacher. The answer will be C. Family. Next question is, good reading aims at developing A. Understanding, B. Pronunciation, C. Sensitivity, D. Increasing factual knowledge. Answer will be A. Understanding. Next question is, the primary duty of a teacher is to be responsible for his or her family, students, society, nation. The answer will be B. Students. Next question is, what is the following is not related to educational achievement? A. Heredity, B. Experiences, C. Practice, D. Self-learning. The answer is A. Heredity. Next question is, one of the student of a class hardly talks in the class. How would you encourage him to express himself? A. By organizing discussions. B. By encouraging children to take part in the classroom activity. C. By organizing educational games or programs in which children feel like speaking. D. By giving good marks to those who express themselves well. The answer will be C. आप एजुकेशनल गेम्स और प्रोग्राम्स को ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे जिसमें बच्चे बोल सकें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द स्टेज इन विच अ चाइल्ड being to think logically about objects and events is known as sensory motor stage, B. Formal operational stage, C. Pre-operational stage, D. Concentrate operational stage. The answer will be C. Pre-operational stage. Next question is, four distinct stage of children's intellectual development were identified by A. Kohlbergs, B. Erickson, C. Skinner, D. Piaget. The answer will be D. Piaget. Next question is, parents should play a dash role in learning process of young children. A. Negative, B. Proactive, C. Sympathetic, D. Neutral. The answer will be C. Sympathetic. Next question is, which is the place where children's cognitive development is defined in the best way? A. Playground, B. School and classroom, C. Auditorium, D. Home. The answer will be school and classroom. B. Dash is considered a sign of motivated teaching. A. Maximum attendance in the class, B. Remedial work is given by the teacher, C. Questioning by the student, D. Pin drop silence in the class. The answer will be B. Remedial work is given by the teacher. Next question is, at lower classes, the playway method of teaching is based on A. Theory of physical education programs, B. Principles of method of teaching, C. Psychological principle of development and growth, D. Sociological principle of teaching. The answer will be C. Psychological principle of developing and growth. Next question is, dyslexia is associated with A. Mental disorder, B. Mathematical disorder, C. Reading disorder, D. Behavioral disorder. The answer will be C. Reading disorder. डिसलेक्सिया से आप तारे ज़मीन पर मूवी को याद कर सकते हैं. उसमें जो मेन कैरेक्टर बच्चा था उसको डिसलेक्सिया ही था और उसको रीडिंग डिसऑर्डर ही था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एजुकेशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड्स शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड. ए. अलॉन्ग विद अदर नॉर्मल चिल्ड्रन, B. by method developed for special children in special schools, C. in a special school, D. by special teacher in a special school. The answer will be along with other normal children. Next question is, in the process of learning motivation. In the process of learning, what is motivation? Options are A. Sharpen the memory of the learner, B. Differentiates new learning from old learning, C. Make learner think undirectionally, D. Creates interest in learning among new learners. The answer will be D. Create interest in learning among new learners. The last question is, a student of grade 5 with usual deficiency should be A. Excused to do a lower level of work, B. Helped with his or her routine work by parents and friends, C. Treated normally in the classroom and provide support through audios, CDs, D. Given special treatment in the classroom. The answer will be C. Treated normally in the classroom and provided support through audio, CDs. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये आपकी यूनिट 2 यहाँ पे फिनिश अप होती है. हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं यूनिट नंबर 3 के साथ. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.